The day has come. We are leaving LA. We're headed back to Ontario and got Luna all packed up. I'm here with my dad actually. I don't know if you guys have met my dad on this channel, but you will, because we're going to be road tripping throughout the States and we're going to be hitting up different national parks along the way. A flaw to going with an older trailer is it doesn't have all the fancy gadgets like backup cams built in, so you have to install them yourself. The entire drive across Canada and down to California, we didn't have a backup cam. So whenever we're changing lanes or whenever we're backing up, Kristen had to go out and basically guide me. First step to mounting the camera is to finding a good position. Now it should be flat, but I mean the Airstream is like completely round everywhere. So I'm just gonna have to put it right about here. That should do. I'm gonna wire it into this light right here in the middle. I took off this light and had to drill a hole. I drilled another hole up here, and this is the cable for the camera. So then I just fished the cable down and wired it into this light. And then in the truck, this turns on and off the headlights. So if I do this, you'll see what happens to the light. Now if I plug in the camera, should see a light. Yeah, we have power. The reason I'm plugging the camera into these lights is that I can control when I want the camera on and off. Otherwise, if it was directly plugged into the batteries, this would be on 24/7 and drain our batteries. I don't want that. I want to be able to control when this turns on. First, I traced the outline of the camera. That's where I wanted it. Then I made the 4 holes, added this, and we're ready to install. Alright, here's the monitor. Plug it in, and we'll see if the camera works. Look at that! You ready?
Hey! It's a road trip!
This is my dad. His name is Mark. His other name is Dad. And he flew to LA to meet me, and then we are driving back to Ontario. So it's going to be like, I don't know, 4,000 kilometers or 5,000 kilometers or something that we're driving back. Right now we're in Nevada. Started in California. We're going to Vegas. We'll be in Vegas in like half an hour. And then we're going to Zion National Park. Thank you. Kristen took our main camera, our A7S, to Toronto, where she is right now, because she's going to be filming some videos, and I have this camera right now. I have the RX100, which isn't great for like visiting national parks. So, ooh, can't believe it. So I got these for a month, and then I'll return them back. Thank you, B&H. My dad and I made it to Zion National Park last night. We got here super late. I didn't want to film anything because it was like freezing cold and it sucked setting up the Airstream. Look, there's snow. There's snow everywhere. We did not expect snow. But today we're going to go explore Zion National Park. But first, breakfast. Here we have a delicious medley of berries. What do you think of that? You want some banana? You want some banana? Have some banana.
No.
Yeah, yeah. We've been exploring Zion National Park for like the past hour, and it's already one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. And we just drove our car through the mountain. There is a tunnel that's about like 2 kilometers long, and you can actually see little holes right here where they let light go into the tunnel because it's not lit. It's just pitch black. Like if you don't have headlights working on your car, you're not going to see anything. But it goes right through this mountain. This has been Atlas's setup for our road trip. So he's got his food and water down here. Then up here, he's got his comfy bed, little snuggle buddy. And then he has his crate here too, or his travel case. We're gonna use this when we travel international with him, and this is meant to slide under the seat of our airplane. This guy is set up. He has the most room in the truck for sure. How's your lunch? Is it good? We have made it to Moab in Utah, and a big thing to do here is a lot of outdoor activities, a lot of like mountain biking and off-roading. We've never done off-roading before, so we're gonna do it now. We're gonna take the truck, and hopefully this truck can do it. Have you ever gone off-roading?
This is driving over mountains. No, I have never done that. Thought we were just gonna be driving home, but adventure struck. In case you don't hear from us again, please look for us at Gemini Bridges Road in Moab, Utah. an off-roader night. Off-roaded in Lombok. Driving on the wrong side of the road. Here there is no side of the road. Nor is there a road barely.
So literally on the same road we've been on in the desert and sand, we're just now higher up in the mountains and it's all snow. Come here, buddy. You've never seen snow. Come on. First pee in the snow. Yeah. Hey, look at this. Yeah. Yeah. A little update. I am supposed to arrive back home tomorrow, but I'm here right now. We drove all night. I have currently been driving for 29 hours with a 20-minute nap in between that. And Kristen doesn't know I'm here, so Atlas and I are going to surprise her. And she's going to be very shocked because I know she misses us a lot. So it's going to be exciting to see her reaction. So Kristen wasn't at her parents' house. She's working at a coffee shop. Her mom is gonna drive me to the coffee shop to surprise her. Got you.
I am so happy right now. I missed you.
I missed you too.
I can't believe you did that.
Surprise success.
I actually feel like I'm dreaming and I have to pinch myself. Hi, baby. I know. Oh, I missed you too. I missed you so much.
Look at that tail.
You're so cute. You're in Canada. You're Canadian now.
Americano.
You crossed the border.
Oh my goodness. Hi, baby.
I am a Yankee Doodle dandy, a Yankee Doodle do or die. A real life nephew of my Uncle Sam, and born on the 4th of July.